Music has a way of expressing what words often struggle to fully capture. Through its melody, we're reminded of memories.
Forward the lessons learned, the memories cherished, and the aspirations we hold dear.
As this song comes to a close, we honor the journey.
Bibidyoin mo, lalapit sila sa'yo.
Hi, Lak! Hello! Thank you, anak! Wow, thank you, anak! Thank you! Oh. Congrats, anak, Lian! Congrats! Congrats, Linet! Congrats, anak! Congratulations!
Remember, success is not just measured by the awards you receive, but by the kindness you show, the challenges you embrace, and the positive impact you make on those around you.
Possibilities for those who are ready.
And you are ready because you have been shaped not only by the lessons inside the classroom,
But by every challenge you overcame beyond it.
wherever life takes you,
Bring with you your knowledge, your values, and your purpose.
and when things get difficult,
Never forget to trust yourself. Congratulations, class of 2026!